Okay, I look terrible, so sorry about that. However, there is a studio vlog and like other content coming soon. But in the meantime, I have a favor to ask. My sweet little bean, Coralie, she is almost 2. She is in the running for Baby of the Year through Baby to Baby. They are a nonprofit organization who does like outreach for children in poverty. They provide like clothing, diapers, and food for children in need. And part of that, they're doing a contest for Baby of the Year. And Coralie is in the group finals right now. You can vote once a day for her. It's like one of those like repeated voting things. She only has a couple days left. She's in 4th place and she needs to be in 1st place by this coming Thursday. So if you guys could help me out by voting for her, I will put the link in the description. It would mean the absolute world to me. So if you win, which she's kind of a long ways off from that, but if you win, she gets $25,000, which would help us be able to pay for her orthotics and work on getting rid of a lot of our medical debt, which would be amazing. So we'd be able to do a lot more for the kids. But also then she would get to appear in a magazine spread for Good Housekeeping. And that would just be amazing. So I'm really hopeful that we can make this happen for her. She's the cutest little freaking thing in the world. I absolutely love her to death and I would love to see her win. So yeah, if you guys could help out by just voting, it's free. There is a donate option if you would like to contribute. They are a nonprofit organization. You absolutely do not have to do that. But if you want to, it does help her in the running also, but of course it also helps children in need, like I said, for diapers, clothing, and food. But yeah, anyway, I'll include the link below. Hope you guys will consider helping voting for her. Yeah, it would mean the world to us. Anyway, more content coming soon, but I just wanted to touch base and let you guys know about this. Anyway, love you. Okay, see you soon. Bye.